Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I get a lot of questions about express entry profile number and job seeker validation code, like where to get it. While it is easy and most of you have already done it, but in order to answer the questions, I am making this video so that whoever needs it can find it out. So in front of you I have opened the official IRCC help center page. Here there is a topic, where can I find the express entry profile number and or job seeker validation code. So it clearly specifies the steps. Log in into your account, go to the heading called view my submitted applications or profiles, click on check status and message, scroll down table called correspondence, click on the arrow in front of the message. It will open a drop down menu with link. Click on the link to open the PDF message. You can find the profile number at the top of the PDF letter. The job seeker validation code should be under the code to register with job bank, number 2 in the example. So that's it. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to us. Thank you guys.